So in this video we will be discussing about the polar office bleaching technique. ठीक है, along with this polar office I will be using the laser also to enhance the effect of the bleaching. For bleaching the first step is always to make shade. ठीक है, if the shade is A2, after the two applications of the bleaching agent it will become A1. If the shade is A1 then it will be B1. ठीक है, if the shade is A3 it will become A2. Means after two applications with the same barrier the shade will reduce by 1. Okay, after two applications, that means we will apply the gingival barrier first. Okay, then after curing the barrier we will apply the bleaching agent. ठीक है, one application, then we will clean it. Okay, and then second application. After second application the result we will get, there is one shade lesser than the earlier. ठीक है, if it is 3 A3 then it will become A2, if it's A2 then it will become A1. ठीक है, तो हम इसका फर्स्ट शेड मैच कर लेते हैं. शेड डिफरेंट भी हो सकता है दांतों का, जैसे कि 9 का इट विल बी डार्कर देन दी सेंट्रल, तो वो डिफरेंस भी हो सकता है. हाँ, A1 शेड है और B1. ठीक है, जो भी एनी हाउ इट विल बिकम वन शेड लेस. ठीक है, हमें मेन वी हैव टू लर्न द टेक्निक मेनली. दिस इज अवर gingival barrier. Okay, before applying this gingival barrier we have to apply this Vaseline on the gingiva with this cotton. Okay, use this cotton, make a ball like this. Use this Vaseline and apply it over the gingiva. If it gets applied over the teeth it should be cleaned, because if it is applied over the tooth then bleaching agent will not be effective over that area. Okay, like this we will apply the Vaseline. After Vaseline I will apply this barrier. On this barrier it is written SGI gingival barrier. ठीक है, पोलो ऑफिस का SGI gingival barrier होता है. It's a very good barrier. A very thin layer of it should be applied like this on the gingiva. ठीक है, then we have to cure it in the fan motion. For 20 seconds. ठीक है, for curing of the composite we cure the each part for 20 seconds, है ना, बट इसमें needed नहीं होता. We have to cure it in the fan motion for 20 seconds. Then this is our Polo Office bleaching agent. It comes like this is your powder, this is your liquid. In one box we can use this complete syringe, है ना. We will mix this complete syringe. If I am using it for this canine to canine, in that case I can use 1/4 of it. Okay, we have to use it like this. फर्स्ट ऐसे पीछे की तरफ ऐसे करेंगे और फिर पुश करेंगे. सीधा करेंगे तो एकदम से सारा स्पिल हो जाएगा. ठीक है, पहले सिरिंज को ऐसे करना है और फिर धीरे धीरे, ये बहुत ध्यान रखना है. अगर तुमने सीधा सिरिंज को ऐसे किया पूरा का पूरा फैल जाएगा एकदम प्रेशर से. ठीक है, Application time is 8 minutes. We have to count 8 minutes after the application on the last tooth. Means I start from this canine, I will end up to this canine. After that I will count 8 minutes. After this application we have to use the laser light for 4 minutes. Okay, 4 minutes without laser, 4 minutes with laser. Okay. For laser I have to wear these glasses because it can cause retinal damage. No? The patient also has to wear the glasses. This is the probe for laser. Okay. And with the foot control, I will press the foot control and will start. The sound is coming, that means it's working. You can see the laser light. Okay, it should not be touched, but it should be near to the surface of the tooth. और if you are doing molar to molar, then you can move it, है ना, ऐसे मूव कर सकते हैं हम इसको. Okay, for 4 minutes I have to hold this laser. The advantages of this laser is it will reduce the post-operative sensitivity. Caused due to the bleaching agent. What precautions should be given to the patients after bleaching? Coffee, tea and turmeric should not be consumed for 24 hours, and a one sensitivity toothpaste should be given for 1 week or 15 days, and patients should have to avoid excessive hot and cold. Excessive hot and cold food should be avoided. So these precautions should be given after bleaching. Post-operative instructions, these post-operative instructions should be given to the patients. After the 8 minutes, once these 8 minutes are completed, till it get completed, we can see how it works, this laser works. See, it's written here, it's for bleaching at 7 watt. If we buy a laser which is 4 watt, it will work only on the soft tissue. For bleaching, we need a laser that is of 8 watt. 8 watt. This is 8 watt laser. Okay. So this will work at the 7 watt. Okay. This is a standby. When I will press it, it will become ready to start. Or with the foot control, I will press the foot control and then it will start. Okay. So I have just removed this part. It should not go inside the. फिर भी देखो काफ़ी चेंज हुआ है ना. एक अभी तो 1 एप्लीकेशन की है, सिर्फ उस पर आप 2 एप्लीकेशन भी कर सकते हो. और ये फ्रॉक से रिमूव कर. चलो, ओके, थैंक यू.